Hey guys, today we're going to make my Traxxas Slash Brushless. Now for this, I've got this big Ventolin brushless power system, and this could take 3S, and this is going to go into that. Now let's see what's in here. So first we've got a little box. We've got the mounting for the ESC. And here we've got a couple of tools and bolts to mount it all in. Up here we've got the ESC, and this has a bit of venting. Now comparing it to this, it has the venting and it's quite a bit bigger here. And this thing will take 3S, and this here is the old battery that we used for this. And that would give it 30 miles an hour. And here is a nice big 3S LiPo. Now, it's definitely shorter, but it's a bit wider, and this will give it 60 miles an hour once we have this brushless system in. Now, at the back, we've got the big brushless motor, and this thing is huge, and comparison to this old one, it'll fit in like that. And it's not too much bigger, but this is a lot more powerful. Alright, so here are a couple of shots of it before we put in the brushless system, and then we're gonna start building.